Imagine this. You're fast asleep. It's quiet, peaceful, then suddenly, bam! A sharp pain shoots through your calf. Your muscle tightens like a knot. You sit up groaning. Another night, another cramp. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Leg cramps at night are one of the most common and frustrating issues for people over 60. They appear out of nowhere, leave you breathless from the pain, and ruin a good night's rest. But here's the truth most people don't know. What you eat could be the secret to keeping those cramps away. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 3 foods that can help you prevent leg cramps, naturally, safely, and deliciously. These aren't exotic remedies or expensive supplements. They're simple, accessible, and incredibly powerful when it comes to relaxing your muscles, improving circulation, and restoring mobility. And no, we're not talking about generic advice like eat better or drink water. We're talking about foods with specific nutrients that your body craves, especially as you age. Foods that support muscle strength, nerve function, and electrolyte balance, because when those are off, that's when the pain begins. So if you're tired of waking up in agony, if you're afraid of walking too long because of cramps, or if you're simply looking for ways to stay active and independent well into your 80s and 90s, this is for you. Stick with me until the end, because the last food I'll share is one that very few people think about, yet it could make all the difference. Let's begin with the classic but underestimated banana. Yes, the humble banana. You've heard it's good for potassium, but do you really know why that matters? Potassium is an essential mineral for your muscles. It helps them contract and relax smoothly. When you're low on potassium, your muscles misfire. They tighten involuntarily. That's a cramp, and it hurts. Bananas don't just give you potassium. They also contain magnesium, which helps your muscles stay calm, and vitamin B6, which supports the nerves that tell your muscles what to do. Imagine your nerves as messengers. If they're tired, overworked, or undernourished, they send the wrong signals. Your legs suffer the consequences. Take Carlo, for example. He's 74, lives alone, and used to get cramps almost every night. He thought it was just part of getting older. But once he started eating one banana every morning and another in the afternoon alongside drinking more water, those cramps slowly started to vanish. Not overnight, but within weeks. If bananas help during the day, sweet potatoes work magic before dinner. Sweet potatoes are like nature's medicine for your muscles. They're rich in potassium, yes, but they also contain calcium and magnesium. All 3 are electrolytes. All 3 are essential for proper muscle function. When you're low on any of them, your body starts sending distress signals through pain, tightness, and spasms. But sweet potatoes go a step further. They're packed with complex carbs, which means they release energy slowly into your system. That helps fuel your muscles throughout the day, especially during light activity like walking, cleaning, or even gardening. You stay steady, less strain, less cramping. I want you to picture Maria. She's 82. She loves to cook, but started getting cramps just from standing too long at the stove. Her daughter added sweet potatoes to her weekly menu, baked, mashed, even in soup. Within a month, Maria said she felt lighter on her feet, more stable, stronger. The difference? Nutrients her body was missing. And when dinner's done and the evening settles in, that's when spinach steps in. Spinach is often praised for iron, but when it comes to muscle health, it's the magnesium and calcium that shine. These 2 minerals are muscle relaxers. They reduce nerve excitability and calm muscle fibers, preventing that sudden, painful contraction. And here's something important. Many seniors are magnesium deficient and don't even know it. Why? Because as we age, our body absorbs less from food. So even if you're eating healthy, you might still be missing out. Spinach gives you that boost. 1 cup of cooked spinach can provide up to 40% of your daily magnesium needs. It's easy to add to meals, throw it into omelets, stir it into soups, or blend it into smoothies. Let me share another real story. Franco, 78, had stopped going on his morning walks because the cramps in his thighs made each step a gamble. His granddaughter, a nutrition student, started adding sautéed spinach to his eggs every other morning. 3 weeks later, he started walking again, slowly at first, then with more confidence. It wasn't a miracle. It was minerals. What do bananas, sweet potatoes, and spinach have in common? They all contain the nutrients your aging muscles desperately need: potassium, magnesium, calcium, and in some cases, vitamin B6. Together, these nutrients improve nerve function, enhance circulation, relax your muscles, and help your body recover faster. But beyond the science, there's something deeper at play. When your legs are strong, you walk with confidence, you go outside more, you socialize, you feel free. Imagine going a whole month without leg cramps, sleeping through the night without interruptions, waking up and walking to the kitchen without feeling like your legs are about to betray you. That's what's possible. And here's one final tip. Don't forget hydration. Even the best foods need water to do their job. Without enough fluids, electrolytes can't move freely, muscles can't contract properly, and nerves can't fire efficiently. Drink water consistently throughout the day, not just when you're thirsty. And if plain water is hard to remember, try herbal teas or infuse your water with slices of citrus or cucumber. Make it enjoyable. You don't need to accept pain as part of aging. You don't need to fear movement. Start small. Add 1 banana a day. Swap a potato for a sweet potato. Stir some spinach into your lunch. And remember, this isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. It's about choosing foods that love you back. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying strong, healthy, and independent at any age. See you in the next video. Stay well and take care of those legs.